Hey there. So it's Thursday. Very beautiful Thursday. I think it's like 70, 75 maybe. I don't know. It's pretty nice out here, especially in the shade. It's a lot cooler. I got my pack filled up. My Osprey Aerial 65. Trying this out a couple different ways on a couple different hikes because I want to make sure that AT wise this is the pack I want. I really don't want to replace the pack, but I did considered last night switching from a hammock to a tent because it was super windy out and I didn't want to really stand out in the wind and cook, and I was like, I did, which was fine, and but I was kind of thinking the luxury that little vestibule on those tarps or those tents would have. So I don't know, but I'm really cozy in my hammock. I really like it. My Magma Trail Quilt 30, was super comfortable last night, even with the underquilt I have now, even though I'm looking to replace that for a lighter one. Loved it. It was probably the most comfortable I've ever been in my hammock. I did have to use my clothes bag as a pillow, so I probably will be getting an inflatable pillow. I'm blanking on what the name is. I can see it. It starts with a T. I'm going to enjoy nature in this pack. I think I finally got it situated. I think it's a little right heavy. Trying to make sure I load it even. But I'm really struggling with the adjustments on my straps because I don't think I have it strapped on here right. But I'll figure it out. Started going uphill, so anyway.